How to choose a medical provider abroad when considering medical tourism. Choosing medical care in a foreign country. Choosing medical care in a foreign country is a very important decision to make. A decision which comes with its risks, but also with tremendous advantages. There are a lot of factors to be taken into consideration and questions to ask before this experience. One of the most important ones is, how to choose a medical provider abroad when considering medical tourism. Steps to be made when choosing a clinic. You can get the information about the clinic from the internet or by calling them directly. In both ways, what you need to do is to find out as much information about the healthcare provider as possible. Ask for any literature or brochures they have, details of the background and qualifications of the physicians. You should also find out as much as you can about the clinic from independent sources, such as online forums or review sites. Check the licensing, accreditations and professional memberships. Check the qualifications and credentials of any doctor or dentist before you book with them. Find out which are the most important associations in that respective country: American Medical Association US, Mexican American Hispanic Physicians Association Mexico, German Medical Association Germany, etc. Check if your chosen hospital or clinic is formally inspected and regulated by the relevant authorities. Check their experience. Check how many years of experience they have and how many patients with your medical condition they have treated. Ask questions about the initial consultation, details about the surgical procedure, how long will it take, how it will be performed, what type of anesthetic will be used, etc. Most importantly, ask about the price, what is included and what not. Make sure there are no hidden costs. Have your questions prepared? Here are some questions you might want to ask. How often have the surgeon and anesthetist worked together before? How often do they perform this procedure? Will the anesthetist perform a pre-op and a post-op evaluation? How much recovery time does the procedure entail? How long will you be hospitalized? Do they recommend that you are accompanied by a companion? How soon after the operation can you go home? Will the operation take place in a private hospital or at the doctor's clinic? What happens in the first day after surgery? What aftercare and rehabilitation is provided? What are the success rates for the procedure? Can they provide patient testimonials, or can you speak to past patients? Do they have any clinical outcome data? How to compare and choose among different medical providers, details which can help you make the difference. Price of the treatment, reputation of the surgeons, facilities of the clinic, length of stay policy, results of independent inspections and reports, infection rates and return to theater rates, convenience such as all-inclusive packages, feedback from previous patients. Get help of medical tourism companies. PlacidWay is a medical tourism company that partners with the best medical providers, in order to facilitate the best medical tourism experience for each and every patient. The company offers assistance with every detail of the journey and makes sure that people who choose medical care abroad will get the best out of this experience.